Hello everyone, my name is Chris Medina. This is my blog about Intonation Workshop activity. In this blog I will read two paragraphs. The first one is about the solar system and the second one is about Steve's life. We're going to start with the first one. Solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, moon, and planets. It also consists of comets, meteorites, and asteroids. The Sun is the largest member of the solar system in order of distance from the Sun. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, the dwarf planet. The Sun is at the center of the solar system, and the planets, asteroids, comets, and meteorites revolve around it. Here we can see a picture related to the solar system. As I said in the beginning, the second paragraph is about Steve's life. Steve was born in Tokyo, Japan. He moved to London with his parents when he was 5 years old. Steve started school there, and his father began to work at the hospital. His mother was a housewife, and he had 4 brothers. He lived in London for 3 years, then moved to Amman, Georgia, where he lived for 10 years. Steve then moved to Cyprus to study at the Mediterranean University. He did not succeed and returned to Georgia. His parents were very unhappy, so he decided to try in America. He applied to many colleges and universities in the States and finally got some acceptance offers from them. He chose Wichita State University in Kansas. His major was a biomedical engineering. He stayed there for about 6 months, and then he moved to a very small town called Greensboro to study in a small college. Here we can see a picture of Steve and his family. They look very happy. This is all about this. Bye bye.